ho, ho! It's time to help Santa and Elf get all the presents ready. Let's do some Christmas phonics. While you are waiting, keep a lookout for the gingerbread men who are hidden in Santa's workshop. I wonder how many you will find. I'll tell you the answer at the end of the video. Santa needs a present that has a F spelt PH as one of its sounds. Which one will he choose? Frog, elephant, flag. Yes, I can hear a F in elephant. Help Elf write the label for elephant. Use your phoneme fingers to help. Are you ready? E, L, E, F, N, T. Elephant. Well done. Santa now needs a present that has a split eye diagraph in. Which one will he choose? Tie, light, dice. Yes, dice has a split eye diagraph. Can you help Elf write the word dice? Use your phoneme fingers to help. D, I, S, dice. Fantastic. Santa now needs a present that has E spelt E-Y as one of its sounds. Which one will he choose? Monkey, T-shirt, sweets. Yes, a monkey has an E-Y at the end. Which letters does Elf need to write this time to write the word monkey? M, O, N, K, E, monkey. Fantastic. Santa's next present has an O spelt O-W as one of its sounds. Which one will he choose? Toad, snowman, boat. Snowman has an O-W in. Help Elf write the word snowman. Remember to use your phoneme fingers. S, N, O, M, A, N, snowman. Fantastic. Santa now needs a present with U spelt U-E as one of its sounds. Which one will he choose? Bike, boots, statue. Yes, statue has U at the end. Help Elf write the word for statue. Ready? S, T, U, statue. Wonderful. Elf's next present has the sound A, spelt A-Y in. Which present will he choose? Crayon, snake, game. Yes, crayon has an A and a Y in. Which letters does Elf need this time to write crayon? K, A, O, N, crayon. Great. Santa now needs a present that has an E spelt E-A in. Which one will he choose? Sweets, monkey, beads. Yes, beads has an E and an A in. Can you help Elf write the word beads? Use your phoneme fingers. B, E, D, S, beads. Fantastic. Santa's last present has the sound spelt I-R in. Which one will he choose? Computer, shirt, beaker. Yes, shirt has an I and an R in. Help Elf write the word for shirt. Remember to use your phoneme fingers. Ready? Sh, t, shirt. Well done. Elf needs to check the Christmas list to make sure that everything has been put into Santa's sack. Read the words with him. E, L, E, A, N, T, elephant. D, I, S, dice. M, A, N, K, E, monkey. S, N, O, M, A, N, snowman. S, T, A, T, U, statue. K, A, O, N, crayon. B, E, D, S, beads. Sh, T, shirt. Wonderful! Santa and Elf are now ready to deliver all the presents. Thank you for your help. How many gingerbread men did you find? I found 10 altogether. Did you find them all? Merry Christmas, and I look forward to seeing you again in the new year. If you enjoyed my video, please give it a like and remember to subscribe so you don't miss all my other videos. But bye-bye for now. Bye!